Okay, let's talk about something we all love, finding an absolutely incredible deal. But what if that deal of a lifetime is actually, a financial trap in disguise? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a hidden cost in the world of discount luxury that can turn a dream purchase into a total long-term nightmare.
So picture this. You've been searching for months, scrolling through listings, and then you see it. The luxury car you've always wanted. It has all the features, that premium badge, that incredible look, and the price. It seems almost too good to be true. It feels like a deal you just can't pass up.
You honestly feel like a genius, right? You've just found a 6-year-old top-of-the-line SUV for the same price as a brand new Honda Civic. It feels like you've completely hacked the system. You're getting all the luxury and prestige without that crazy sticker shock. But is that really the whole story?
And this is where we need to pump the brakes on the celebration just a little bit, because lurking right behind that amazing sticker price is something the source material calls the hidden exit tax. This is the real price of that good deal, and trust me, it shows up way after you've driven off the lot.
So what on earth is this exit tax? Well, think of it as this unavoidable, totally unforeseen cost you get saddled with long after the excitement of the purchase is gone. And no, this isn't a tax you pay to the government. This is a tax you pay directly to your mechanic in the form of shockingly high repair and maintenance bills.
The source material really puts it bluntly. This isn't some abstract idea. It's a real exit tax that you will pay in cold, hard cash every single time you have to visit a mechanic. It's almost like a mandatory subscription fee you have to pay for owning that luxury badge.
All right, let's make this crystal clear with a real-world example. We're going to look at a tale of two very different cars, using the exact numbers from our source material, just so we can see this exit tax in action.
So, on the surface, the choice seems pretty thrilling. You've got a used BMW X5, a true symbol of luxury, versus a brand new Honda Passport, which is basically a pillar of reliability. And look at that, their initial purchase prices are almost identical, right around 25 grand. It looks like a fair fight, but it's really, really not.
And this right here, this is the most important question you could possibly ask. The purchase price is just the entry ticket, right? The real financial story is the total cost of ownership. What does it actually cost to keep each of these cars running year after year?
And here it is. This is the trap, laid out in plain numbers. The average annual repair cost for that brand new Honda is a totally manageable $420. But the out-of-warranty BMW? You're looking at over $1,200 a year, and frankly, that's probably a conservative estimate. The difference is just staggering.
Let's just isolate that number for a second. That's a minimum of $780 extra every single year. That's money you're paying just for the privilege of owning that used luxury brand. You can think of it as your own personal luxury surcharge, an annual fee that you'll never see in any advertisement.
So, why the huge gap? Well, it really boils down to two things. Specialized labor, because these are complex machines that need specially trained mechanics, and what the source calls jewelry prices for the parts. An alternator for a Honda and an alternator for a BMW are not priced the same, not even close.
Okay, let's pull back from this specific example and just look at the bigger principle here, because this isn't just about cars. It's about understanding the real cost of ownership for any big purchase you make. That price tag is only chapter 1 of the story.
It follows such a predictable pattern, doesn't it? Step 1, you see that tempting deal. Step 2, you get that shock of the first big out-of-warranty repair bill. Step 3 is just paying that hidden tax year after year after year. And the final lesson? The sticker price is never the full story. Look, if you take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. The most significant cost of that amazing discount luxury item isn't paid when you buy it. It's paid in installments, over years, at the repair shop, long after that new car smell is a distant memory.
And this whole exit tax principle, it goes way beyond cars. I mean, think about that super cheap printer with those ridiculously expensive ink cartridges, or that budget flight with a million add-on fees. So the question to ask yourself is, what other so-called deals in your life might have a hidden cost you haven't accounted for yet?